Hey y'all, Bear here. Come down to one of my local parks today for a little walk. Thought I'd show you one of my favorite little carry knives. I've been toting this guy for a while now. It's a little Victorinox Tinker. It's become one of my favorites because it's loaded with tools I use, but not a bunch of stuff I don't. Just can't find a quiet place to do this, can I? Alright, so this is what they classify as a 91mm knife, 3.5 inches. Victorinox website says this is 2.175 ounces. And it's got ABS scales. Now when I first got it, see right here, right in here, it had a little shield and cross on it. That guy's long worn off from all the pocket change and stuff scrubbing on it. The main blade on this knife is 2.45 ounces. It's got a second small blade. I don't know, maybe an 1.25 inches, 1.5 inches. Hadn't measured it. There's a Phillips screwdriver. That little screwdriver there is just perfect for the kids' toys to swap the batteries out in them. Comes with a bottle opener. It's got a large flat blade screwdriver on it, a wire stripper. It's got a can opener. I don't know if you can see the wear on that guy. That guy gets a lot of use from me. I use it all the time at work, get into my lunch. On the end of that can opener is a small flat-bladed screwdriver. It's got toothpick. These are replaceable. You can buy these in little packs of 5. Look online, you can find them on eBay. The toothpicks come in 2 sizes though. Make sure you order them for the 91mm for this knife. Comes with a little set of tweezers. There's a reamer on this side. I find that guy, he's good for digging in some wood, make a little hole for some eyes of something I'm carving or whatnot. It's also good for pushing the pin out on a Mossberg 500 if you're breaking it down. There should be a key ring right here. That guy's long gone. I just carry it in my pocket, not on my keys. But that's my favorite little carry blade. I don't necessarily carry a defensive blade, but I always have this tool with me.